Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the beauty and versatility of the English language, one word at a time. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into the word belief. It's a B1 level noun that means the acceptance that something is true. This word is essential for expressing thoughts, opinions, and convictions in everyday life. Let's break it down. Belief can describe a strong feeling of trust or confidence in something or someone. For example, you might say, I have a strong belief in the power of education. In this case, it expresses your confidence in the importance and value of education. It's a versatile word that connects deeply to how we interpret the world around us. Now, let's talk about synonyms for belief. Words like conviction, faith, and trust are closely related. For instance, you could say, her faith in her team never wavered, or he spoke with great conviction about the importance of kindness. These synonyms can often be used interchangeably, depending on the context. On the flip side, antonyms for belief include doubt, disbelief, and skepticism. For example, there was a lot of doubt about the success of the new project, or her skepticism about the idea made it difficult to move forward. These words highlight a lack of acceptance or confidence, providing a clear contrast to belief. In everyday life, belief is commonly used in a variety of situations. You might hear it in phrases like a personal belief, a strong belief system, or core beliefs. For example, my core beliefs guide my decisions every day. It can also appear in discussions about culture, religion, and personal values, such as different societies have unique belief systems. Here are a few more examples of belief in sentences. Her belief in herself helped her achieve her goals. Many people have a belief that hard work leads to success. He held a firm belief that honesty is the best policy. To wrap things up, today we explored the word belief, its meaning, synonyms like faith and conviction, and antonyms like doubt and skepticism. We also looked at how belief can be used in daily conversations and various contexts. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd love to hear from you, so why not create your own sentence using belief and share it in the comments? Until next time, keep expanding your vocabulary and embracing the power of words. Thanks for listening.